Another big musky or something. Got the drag as well. Big fish bite today. Ooh, look at that big boil.
It's a big fish, whatever the hell it is. Hey, Link, you hold on to that?
Yep.
Come on, baby.
Jump for us. Let's see what it is. Probably another ski. Big school of them down here feeding on something. Like a king. Yeah. You get 200 feet of line in, he runs up 500.
Or when you have a 10 color out there. Oh, fuck, come on! We have to go through this again?
Peeling?
Yeah. Look at that.
Juice ran way out there.
Yeah.
This ain't a walleye. You know what's big when the line's singing?
Yeah, sounds like a downrigger.
They take off. Feel kind of like the other one, real heavy quality. It's heavy though, huh? We do catch 15, 40, and 50 pound flatheads too. You got one that big?
This is a musky. It's my first musky ever.
That was my first muskie ever.
Remember, that's only 10 pounds.
Yep.
It's acting like a big flat. Oh, head shaking. Musky or big fight. Oh, that's, yeah, it's long. It's really long. Almost looks like a fight. Oh, it's a musky. Oh, another one. Wayne, you want to turn this to the right a little bit? Jesus, this one's just as big. Keep turning this to right.
Okay.
What's happening, musky? Okay, this is gonna be our last shot. I think he's got that down deep. Oh. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, motherfuck. God damn it. Dang. Son of a bitch. That fucking hurts. God damn it.
That's the fucking call. Did you get any of it on the...
Yeah. There's evidence.
Yeah, but there ain't a good picture.
No, I know.